Before you buy guy here, today I've got a great video for you. Don't want to miss this one. This is the Logitech G432 wired gaming headset. In this video, I am taking a detailed look at this particular headset from Logitech. I'm going to show you the unboxing. I'm going to talk to you about the product features, the specs. I'm going to cover the build quality, the sound quality. In this video, I'm going to show you a real world test of both the microphone and also the sound quality from these ear cups. This channel is all about helping you as a consumer to make a more informed purchase decision. So this headset from Logitech can be used with a laptop or a desktop PC, the PS4, Xbox One, or the Nintendo Switch. You can use this with your mobile phone if your phone still has a 3.5mm audio jack. Here's what you get in the box. One pair of Logitech G432 headphones. You get this adapter here which splits the audio into both microphone and sound in case you want to plug this into separate holes. If you're using a PC or console, it's recommended to use this USB device that comes with the product. You plug the audio cable into the other side of the USB device, and then this side here plugs into the USB slot. This will enable the headphones to support surround sound 7.1, and it should provide the best possible quality of audio connection. If you do decide just to use the 3.5mm audio jack, you're not going to get the most out of these headphones because you don't get that surround sound that you can get when you use the USB connection. This headset is made out of a variety of different materials. The main body of the device is made of a rigid, hard plastic. The microphone is made out of soft plastic and it's a little bit flexible. You can bend this a bit in order to adjust the position of the microphone. Both the ear cups have a decent amount of rotation, and the ear cups themselves are made of a PU leather-like material. There's a blue fabric mesh that covers the actual speakers. There is actually a decent amount of cushion here at the top of the headband, and this headband is really thick for some reason. It's around 4 centimeters thick. So this microphone can be raised or lowered, which is pretty convenient if you wanted to have it low or high, depending on your situation. It's not removable. Some gaming headsets do come with a removable microphone. Personally, I do actually prefer for it not to be removable because I feel like if you can remove it, you can also lose it, which is, for me, a real possibility. I was impressed by the large amount of adjustments that is offered by this headband. The headband extenders are made of solid metal, which is probably the most solid component of this device, and it has a huge range for a variety of different heads. The ear pads themselves are removable, so in theory, if they wear out, you can replace the ear pads without having to buy a whole new set of headphones. But after a quick search on eBay, I wasn't actually able to find replacement pads for this particular model, so you can buy it from Logitech directly. Maybe you can, I'm not sure how much they cost. If you know the answer to that, please drop a comment below. Now these headphones are wired and they don't have any wireless capability. Now this comes with pros and cons. In theory, this should allow for a more stable connection and potentially better quality audio for the price than you would get for a wireless headset in this same ballpark. Overall, for build quality, I do think it's pretty average. To me, it feels very plasticky. While the plastic is rigid, I'm not sure how durable it would be. When I move the headphones, they tend to rattle and creak a little bit. It's not terrible, but the build quality I think could be improved. In terms of comfort, these ear pads are soft and provide a decent amount of cushion. The headphones sit over the top of your ears fairly comfortably. I didn't feel any part of the headphones digging into my head or ears. They really do feel quite comfortable, and it grips onto your head quite well. It applies a bit of pressure, so it's not going to move, but it's not too much pressure that it feels like it's going to give you a headache. Even when moving around quite a bit, I didn't find the headphones slip or move from my head, and I've probably got a small head, to be honest. That's definitely a positive for small head people. I have tried wearing these headphones for 6 to 8 hours and it still felt comfortable even after such a long wearing session. Look, you might not have the same head shape as me, so your experience with these headphones might be completely different, but I'm just sharing my opinion. Overall, for comfort, I actually found these to be pretty reasonable and fairly comfortable. I am usually used to using a wireless headset, so I did find this dangling wire to be a little bit annoying, but I guess I can't really hold that against this headset since it is a wired headset. You'd be paying a lot more for a wireless version of something of the same quality. I've tested the microphone while making a phone call and the audio sounded decent enough. It was clear and it sounded better than when on loudspeaker and actually sounded better than when using the phone against my ear. It's certainly not a studio quality microphone or anything like that. On the scale of microphone quality, this is definitely on the lower end of the scale. If you're just using this headset to communicate while gaming with friends for comms, I don't think you're going to have any issues at all. If you wanted to use it for streaming or recording videos, I think you probably want to go with something a little bit higher end. Here is some unedited audio of me speaking using the microphone on these headphones. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. This is an audio recording using the microphone on these headphones. Let me know in the comments what you think about the microphone and if the quality is up to par, or whether that would be a deal breaker for you. Now, to test the audio, I'm going to use the same microphone that I've been using to record my voice for this whole video. To get the most accurate representation of the actual audio, I've put the microphone inside the ear cup while wearing the headset. Now, I want to give you a bit of context with that audio quality. I'm going to compare these headphones with another set of headphones that I use every day, the Sony WH-1000XM3. These Sony headphones, I'll put the model on the screen here, are the ones I use every day. But this isn't really a fair comparison because these headphones from Sony cost about 3 times as much as these Logitech headphones, so you definitely wouldn't expect them to be as good. I just wanted to give you a sample of how these Logitech headphones compare with a much more high-end set of headphones. Let's have a listen. So listening back, honestly, I don't think the Logitech headphones audio is bad. It's definitely not as good as the Sony headphones. There's definitely better options for audio quality, but I think for the price, these Logitech headphones are probably okay. So when I was researching this video, it looks like the price that you can pay for these headphones can vary fairly significantly. I purchased these brand new from eBay for 90 Australian dollars. I saw some other retailers selling it for as high as 170 Australian dollars. I certainly wouldn't recommend paying $170 for these headphones, but I think maybe $90 is probably about hitting the mark. To summarise my opinion of the Logitech G432, the main positives include the aggressive gaming style. You either love this or you hate it. I like the blue and black colours. In terms of build quality, my opinion is mixed. It does feel comfortable enough to wear, but the plastic feels cheap and brittle, and I'm really not sure how durable this will be over the long term. Holding it in my hands, it doesn't feel high-end or premium. It's rather creaky, and I'm not sure how long these ear pads will last. This could be an issue if it's not easy to find replacements. In my opinion, if you're buying a set of headphones and you want to use it for 6 to 8 hours every single day, I really strongly recommend that you spend as much money as you can to get the best headphones you can buy. Spending more money isn't automatically going to get you a better pair of headphones, but in general, the more you pay, the more you get. If this is about as much as you can afford to spend and you do manage to find these on sale, I don't think you'll be disappointed by these. They certainly are a reasonable set of headphones. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video to be helpful. I have a lot more technology reviews planned. You don't want to miss those. Check out my other videos over here. I'll see you next time.